Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 powerful Perplexity Comet agents that can automate your daily work from research and writing to planning, coding, and reporting. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So you need to first of all come here on perplexity.ai. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, if I talk about the Comet agents, so the first one would be of research agent. With the help of it, you can summarize any of the topic instantly with real sources and citations. Then we have the writing agent that is going to help you draft the blogs, the reports, and emails in seconds. It is also going to give you the coding agent that is going to help you debug, explain, and generate the code across multiple languages. Then you are also going to get the data analyst agent, which is going to read the spreadsheet, extract the trends, and create the quick summaries for you. You are also going to get the content planner agent, which is going to build the social media or the blog calendars based on the keywords and the trends. It is also going to give you the meeting notes agents that is going to summarize the transcript or recording into the clear action points. It is also going to give you the market research agent that is going to gather the competitors pricing and audience insights automatically. It also has the translation agent that translates the text with the full context and the professional tone. You are also going to get the email reply agent, which is going to write the smart responses in your tone, saving tons of time. Then we have the idea generator agent too, that is going to create the script, campaigns, or business ideas from just a single line of input. So these Comet agents run directly inside Perplexity's workspace. So they handle multiple tasks together, no switching tabs or using extra tools. So there you go. These are the 10 Comet agents that can automate almost everything that you do online. So which one would you use first? You can drop your answer in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick AI productivity guides. Thanks for watching.